Over here on Investors Hangout. I had a few people asking me about this one over the weekend. This is going to wrap it up for all the requests today. Currently at 0125 for CDII, 0125. We looked at this one on the 26th of April, which would have been right here on that red line. Joe was not here on that day to go through this with us, but he was on the 18th. That would have been right here as well. And with that being said, let's talk about the 18th, or 26th rather. 0120, watch for selling to slow here and buying to pick up. Resistance at 0127, 0161, and support at 008. With that being said, look at the moving averages moving around here now. 0158, 0017, and 0133. Trying to make that move, guys. Very, very slowly. Trying to make that move. Again, hopefully that the selling slows down to kind of get you guys off of that level. But it does look like it's trying to make its way back up. Just, again, my personal opinion, I see a lot of red candles. You know the deal. Well, red candles could mean all kinds of things that either there's going to be selling or a lot of interest in this one. And right here, look at the volume just picking up. Every single time that it moves, it just gaps up, pulls back down, gaps up, pulls back down. We're seeing that over and over. I would watch for a break of that 30-day at 0133 and 0158 on the 20. 0158 break would turn this one bullish. 01 is going to be that support line that seems to be holding pretty strong and that will continue to need to hold. So that is my opinion on this one. We'll see what Joe could add.
All right, so they had a press release today. It was CD International Enterprises Incorporated announces engagement of E&E Communications for Public and Investor Relations Services. So CD International Enterprises Incorporated, a U.S.-based company that sources industrial commodities and provides business and management corporate consultant services, today announced that it has engaged E&E Communications for Public and Investor Relations Services. E&E Communications will provide CD International with the level of strategic planning and day-to-day investor and public relations services that will allow management to focus on our ongoing business expansion in cannabis oil CBD products. E&E Communications will guide the company in developing an investor and public relations program that supports its goals and creates shareholder value, said Dr. James Wang, Chairman and CEO of CD International. As the company continues to grow, we want to maintain a strong traditional communications program with our shareholders while increasing our visibility in investment community, attracting new investors, said Dr. Wang. We are excited to work with E&E Communications to achieve these communication goals and look forward to utilizing their expertise in this area. Management wants to ensure that we are effectively communicating the strategic value of corporate actions and accomplishments with the investment community and with our current shareholders. So this that's pretty much that for their latest press release. And let's see. Before that, though, they had another one. It was CD International Enterprises enters a wholesale distribution agreement, including products for relaxation and flavored hemp oils. That was on April 26th. They also had their quarterly. So they filed their quarterly. It was received on March 27th. So if you pull up on their filings, you'll see it for the March 27th, and it was for the period ended December 31st. So all that's up there at your fingertips. So you just go right over to the CDII board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that CD International Enterprises Incorporated board.
All right, take a look at the stock price here, especially off that 01 area. It's starting to climb up, but again, hopefully as selling stops and what I said on the chart, 0125 will need to break 0158 to turn this bullish. Resistance at 0133 and 0158, support at 0117 and 01 and 008. Okay, so going to watch for that break as well. Once you guys break that, it could go up much higher, much faster, but definitely going to need to hold that support, especially the 01. I would like to see, but it is starting to wedge up and starting to look better. Again, watch for the buying to pick up, the selling to slow. We'll see. CDII. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. We'd appreciate it. With that being said, check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.